So I've made a couple changes and I just wanted to give you guys a tour of what I have added. So we're going to creativity coaching. Now, what has happened as I've been developing these courses over the past couple years is that I realize we need more time. My clients and I really get in depth here on all of these subjects that you can read and more. So I have extended the sessions and doubled the time on most everything so that there's no rush. Now, this has meant that the prices have to go up. And as it's extremely important to me not to ever price out anyone who needs help, I have added a sliding scale option. So here is how it works. It's honor system, you guys. So what I've done is I've written down descriptions of financial situations, and there's one for if these things are true for you, then you pay the regular listed fee for my services. But if something less stable is true, we have two separate options for discounts at 20% and 40%. So you just see what's true for you, and then you can go to the booking calendar and you can book a single session, either a tarot reading or a single session creativity coaching. Or right now we've got two on the calendar for November and December for the multi-session coaching series. So there we go. Let me know if you have any questions.